And I passed with flying colors. Let's go. Wet carbon. Dry carbon. B9 as well. Wet carbon, dry carbon. Easy, easy. Give me a harder one. Wet carbon, dry carbon. Did you give me the same? This is wet carbon, dry carbon.
Yeah.
Easy work. Today, we're breaking down wet carbon mirror covers versus dry carbon mirror covers, what the actual differences are, and how to tell which one you're dealing with. Now let's start off with the wet carbon mirror covers. As you can see, you get that nice carbon look with the glossy finish. But if you take a closer look on the other side, you'll see it's built on a plastic base, usually ABS, with a carbon layer on top. Now this version is the dry carbon fiber, also known as pre-preg carbon fiber. Now as you can see, it's not built with a plastic base, but the entire mirror cover is made out of carbon fiber. And you'll see the carbon weave is on both the inside and the outside. The way these are built, it makes a big difference in how they feel in your hand. Wet carbon starts with an ABS plastic mirror cap, which is already heavier than carbon fiber. Then you're adding a carbon layer on top, which is adding extra material weight without increasing the strength. Dry carbon, on the other hand, is carbon fiber throughout, which is a lot lighter. Now, let's put it to the test and put both on the scale. Wet carbon mirror cover. Dry carbon mirror cover. Another big difference between wet and dry carbon mirror covers is fitment. With wet carbon, it's usually an ABS plastic mirror cover with carbon fiber laid over top. Because that carbon layer is added by hand, you can get inconsistencies from piece to piece, especially around the edges and corners. But the biggest fitment difference usually comes down to the tabs. The tabs are what actually lock the mirror cover onto the car. So even if the outside looks good, the fitment depends on the quality and accuracy of those tabs. With a lot of wet carbon covers, the tabs can feel more brittle, less precise, or lower quality, which can make the install harder and affect how securely the cover sits. Now with our cap dry carbon mirror covers, they are made with OEM level quality tabs so they clip in properly, hold securely, and sit the way they should. You can also see a visual difference once the covers are installed. Wet carbon can look more distorted to the eye, while dry carbon has a cleaner and more uniform look. So beyond just the fitment, dry carbon gives the mirror cover a superior appearance on the car. There's also a big difference in strength between the two. Dry carbon is much stronger than wet carbon, and that's because the resin is evenly controlled during manufacturing, and it's cured under heat and pressure, which makes the material a lot more compact and consistent. With wet carbon, the resin isn't as controlled during manufacturing, so you can get extra resin and small inconsistencies. And since it's built on a plastic base with a carbon layer on top, it's not a single solid carbon piece. This is the wet carbon mirror cover, and this is the dry carbon mirror cover. Now let's bring in a cab member to see what differences he notices and which one he likes more. All right, what differences do you notice between these two?
So just off holding these, the one right here definitely feels lighter. This one has a little bit more weight to it. I can also notice a difference in the weave of the carbon. This one looks way more consistent. It just looks like it has a better finish. This one has a lot of inconsistencies. From the inside, this one has plastic on the inside. This one is full carbon. I can see the weave through it. So this one is just carbon laid over plastic. This one's full carbon.
So Audi uses dry carbon fiber for all of their carbon fiber components, which is the gold standard. So if you're driving an Audi and want to match that standard, dry carbon fiber is the way to go. Here at Can Auto Performance, we are the first and only manufacturer for dry carbon mirror covers for the B8 and B8.5 Audi A4, A5, S4, S5, and RS5 models. Now, this was not an easy task to do, as it was very challenging to get the shape and the tabs in dry carbon, and it took us close to 2 years of development to get the fitment and construction exactly where we wanted it. So even though it's an older platform, it's what Can Auto Performance was built on, starting with our test pipes. So we really wanted to get this right, and not just as a challenge, but to give higher quality options to a platform that we know has tens of thousands of enthusiasts. And from there, we also expanded into the B9 platform. And now we offer dry carbon mirror covers for the B9 and B9.5, Audi A4, S4, A5, S5, and even RS5 models. And we've also expanded into the C8 platform as well. That's the difference between wet carbon fiber and dry carbon fiber mirror covers. And now you know which one you're dealing with. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. And also make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to stay tuned for our new designs of our dry carbon fiber mirror covers for the B8 and B9 platform. So see you next time.